In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever felt like you're spending too much time hunting for a transaction, a customer, or an answer to a QuickBooks question, the built-in search is your best friend. It's fast, flexible, and designed to surface exactly what you need without digging through menus. I'll walk you through how to use it from the home dashboard and share a few simple tips to get precise results. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your company. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a prominent search field near the top center of the screen. That's the main search bar, and it works across your books and help resources. Click directly into that search bar. As soon as you do, QuickBooks usually shows a drop-down with your recent transactions and activities. This is handy for jumping back into something you touched recently. Start typing what you're looking for. You can enter an invoice number, a customer or vendor name, a dollar amount, a memo note, or a keyword like payment or bill. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear in real time. If one of those matches exactly, click it to go straight there. If you want to see a broader list, simply press Enter to display more results on the screen. Results may be grouped by type, such as transactions and lists, alongside help content. To narrow your search, try adding a small detail, like part of a name plus an amount or a keyword plus a date reference in your terms. Even partial numbers often work, as long as they're distinctive. You can also use the search icon, the magnifying glass at the top of the page. Clicking that icon opens the same search experience, so use whichever feels more natural. This is especially helpful if you're navigating other areas of QuickBooks and want a quick way back to search. Beyond finding records, you can type a question in plain language, such as how to record a customer refund, and you'll see help suggestions you can open right away. If your results seem off, check for typos, remove extra punctuation, or try a broader keyword. Make sure you're in the correct company if you manage more than one, and remember that your role and permissions affect what you can see in search. That's all there is to it. Go to QuickBooks Online, click the main search bar on the home page, or tap the magnifying glass to do the same thing, then type what you need and pick from the suggestions or full results. With this workflow, you'll find what you're after in seconds and keep your day moving smoothly.